Eastern Pyrenees, a living harmony. The Navarre Pyrenees, a paradise that captivates our senses. Deep valleys and endless peaks draw the horizon. Sunlight paints the landscape. In the meadows, life goes on at another rhythm. Flocks of sheep, cows, and horses graze slowly. Cowbells resonate softly, reminding us of the connection between humans and nature. Soft steps under the towering beech trees, rising to the sky. Paths that leave no scars, breathing without rush, becoming part of the scenery. Water singing through stones, shimmering reflections, currents that never stop, life flowing. Villages sprinkling the valleys, houses that tell old stories, the sound of church bells marking time, the harmony between humans and the environment. Nature does not belong to us. We are simple guests, not owners. Protect is to love, and silence keeps speaking.